Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm happy you're here. We're doing a pretty painting today. A couple people reached out and said, Kathleen, you haven't done a swipe in a while, and I'm a swiping kind of girl, so I'm like, I will take care of that for you. So I came on down here like a mad scientist, mixed up some pretty colors. I saw a picture earlier today of a clematis plant, a vine that I have in my yard that is getting ready to bloom. And it was chartreusey and purpley and teal with little bits of cream in it. And I thought to myself, oh my, that would look pretty on a canvas. So that was my inspiration for today. We are working on a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, and our base coat is not black. I wish you could see this, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade of blue, and it's a paint that I purchased quite a while back, 2 bottles of it, and I had stuck the second bottle, which I had not used, kind of in the back, and I lost track of it. These are good paints. This is Matisse, and this is the Southern Ocean Blue. Very nice fluid paint. Now what I did, here it is in a cup, and you can see it's lighter than my base coat. What I did was I added the Matisse Ocean Blue. I put my pouring medium in it, and then I gradually added a little bit of golden carbon black to it until I got it to the hue that I was looking for. And you can always tell when a paint has very good pigment, and these Matisse paints do. It's hard as heck to get it off your hands. They stain your hands. You gotta scrub them. My golden paints stain my hands. And I am out of gloves, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. In this pretty cup right here is the Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. This beautiful color is turning into one of my favorite paints, especially with blues. This is Liquitex Basics, and this is the Deep Violet. A beautiful, beautiful color, guys. I think Sarah Taylor used that a lot, and it caught my eye, so I ran out and got some. This is Golden Fluids, and this is the green gold, and I added a little bit of golden fluids, gold fine to it, just to lemon it up just a little bit. It was the color in the picture of my clematis plant. And then for good luck, golden fluid acrylics in the iridescent pearl. I'm sorry, my lights are kind of going a little crazy there. Our pouring medium today, guys, is 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800, and a little bit of water to consistency. The only paint I needed to add water to was the Deep Violet. The other paints were all very fluid, and my pouring medium is fluid. And when I swipe, I like to swipe with very fluid paints. Our swiping tool of choice to start off with is damp paper towels. I stack about 6 or 7. I take my water bottle, squirt it along the bottom edge, flip it over, squirt the other side, and just keep them stacked next to me. And I have a pair of scissors that I cut these up with to adjust the size of my swipe. Now, on a personal note, guys, I want to reach out. I want to thank each and every one of you for your comments that I wake up to every single morning, that brighten my day as I'm drinking my coffee. And yesterday I got a little gift in the mail. You guys touched my heart. This is from John H. He says, "Hi Kathleen, saw these and thought of you. They don't say painting peeps, but it still says peeps." And he sent me these adorable little socks, chilling with my peeps. Thank you, John. You make me smile big, and that's what I do whenever I'm down here. I'm hanging out with my peeps. Let's put some music on, guys, because Lito just walked into the room and he's about to make a lot of noise. Tunes on for you, tunes on for me, guys. Let's get busy.
Time thinking about the day that we met. I love to see you smile. Can't take my eyes off your silhouette. So today I have planned it out so carefully. I know the things that you you all day, all night. 'Cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself. Show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. I can't take my eyes off you. I'll make it last.